Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our channel where we celebrate the beauty in simplicity. Today, let's talk about embracing your unique beauty with a natural makeup look. This look is all about enhancing what you already have and feeling comfortable in your own skin. Makeup isn't about hiding who you are. It's about enhancing your best features and feeling confident. It's a tool to express yourself and highlight your natural beauty. The natural look is all about less is more. A few key products, a quick routine, and letting your real skin shine through. Think of it as a way to enhance your natural glow without overdoing it. It's perfect for busy mornings, school, work, or a casual day out. You can look put together and fresh without spending hours in front of the mirror. You don't need a huge makeup bag, just a handful of multitasking essentials. These products can save you time and space, making your routine more efficient. This approach is gentle on your skin and your schedule, giving you more time for yourself. It's about finding a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup lover wanting to simplify, this tutorial is for you. We'll cover the basics and some tips to make the most of your natural look. I'll guide you step by step to a fresh, radiant, and authentic look. You'll learn how to apply each product effectively to enhance your features. Let's get started and unlock your everyday glow. Get ready to feel confident and beautiful with a natural makeup look that's uniquely you. Great makeup starts with great skin, so let's prep our canvas. Begin with a gentle cleanser, then pat your skin dry. Never rub. Apply a hydrating toner and, if you like, a serum for extra glow. Moisturizer is a must for all skin types. Choose a lightweight formula for daytime. Massage it in with upward strokes for a mini facial and better absorption. Don't forget sunscreen. SPF 30 or higher is non-negotiable even on cloudy days. Sunscreen protects your skin and keeps it looking youthful. Let it absorb for a few minutes before moving on. With your skin prepped and protected, your makeup will look smoother and last longer. Now, let's move on to creating your base. When aiming for a natural everyday look, it's best to avoid heavy, full-coverage foundations that can mask your skin's unique texture and features. Instead, opt for lighter alternatives that let your real skin shine through and feel comfortable all day long. Reach for a tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or CC cream. These products offer just enough coverage to even out your complexion while still looking fresh and natural. They're also packed with skin-loving ingredients, making them a great choice for daily wear. To find your perfect shade, always test the product along your jawline. This area gives the most accurate match to both your face and neck, ensuring a seamless blend. Use your fingertips to gently blend a small amount of product onto your face, focusing on areas where you want to even out your skin tone. The warmth of your fingers helps the product melt into your skin for a more natural finish. Don't worry about covering every imperfection. Let your real skin, freckles, and natural beauty peek through. This is what gives your makeup a fresh, effortless vibe. If you have dark circles, redness, or blemishes you'd like to minimize, use a creamy concealer to spot conceal only where needed. Remember, a little goes a long way. Using less product helps maintain that natural look. Gently tap and blend the concealer with your ring finger, which applies the least pressure and helps create a seamless, undetectable finish. To set your base, use a fluffy brush to lightly dust translucent powder only on areas that tend to get oily, like your forehead, nose, and chin, also known as the T-zone. Avoid applying too much powder, as this can make your skin look flat or cakey. Keeping the rest of your face powder-free helps your skin maintain a healthy, dewy glow. This approach keeps your makeup light, breathable, and comfortable, allowing your natural features to shine through without feeling heavy or overdone. The goal is for your skin to look like skin, just a little more even, radiant, and refreshed, as if you woke up glowing. Once your base is set, you're ready to add a touch of color and dimension with blush, bronzer, or highlighter to bring your look to life. Let's move on to the next step and enhance your natural beauty even further. Time to bring your face to life with a touch of color. Cream blush is perfect for a natural flush. Smile, dab it on the apples of your cheeks, and blend upward. Build the color gradually for a seamless, healthy glow. For warmth, lightly sweep bronzer along your hairline, cheekbones, and nose, just where the sun would hit. Stick to shades close to your natural skin tone and blend well for a soft, sun-kissed effect. The goal is subtle definition, not harsh lines. These steps add dimension and radiance without looking overdone. Let's finish with the eyes and lips. Now that your base is set, it's time to add those subtle details that truly elevate your look. Let's softly define your eyes and lips for a polished, natural finish that enhances your features without overpowering them. Start with your brows. Think of them as the frame for your face. Gently brush them upward to reveal their natural shape, then fill in any sparse spots with light, hair-like strokes using a brow pencil or powder. This step helps create a fuller, more defined look while still keeping things soft and approachable. For your eyes, sweep a neutral shadow across your lids. Choose a shade just a touch deeper than your skin tone to brighten and even out the area, making your eyes appear more awake and refreshed. Blend well for a seamless, barely there effect. Next, curl your lashes for an instant eye lift. This simple step opens up your eyes and makes you look more alert. Follow with 1 or 2 coats of mascara, focusing on the roots to add definition without clumping. Wiggle the wand as you go for a natural, fanned-out effect. Remember, less is more here. Skip heavy liner or bold, dramatic colors. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. Stick to soft, neutral tones that complement your complexion. For lips, reach for a tinted balm, sheer lipstick, or gloss in a shade close to your natural lip color. This keeps your lips looking healthy and hydrated, while adding just a hint of color and shine. Dab the product on with your finger for a soft, diffused finish. This technique gives you a fresh, effortless look and helps avoid harsh lines. These finishing touches pull the whole look together, making your features pop while still looking like yourself, just a little more polished. With these simple steps, you'll look fresh, awake, and effortlessly put together, ready to take on the day with confidence. And that's it. Your natural makeup is complete. Take a moment to admire your work and enjoy how comfortable and confident you feel. But what if you make a mistake? Don't worry, everyone does. Let's fix that next. On to quick fixes. Mistakes happen, but they're easy to fix. Too much blush? Tap over it with your foundation brush or sponge to tone it down. Clumpy mascara? Comb through with a clean spoolie while it's still wet. Mascara smudge? Let it dry, then flake it off with a cotton swab. If your base looks cakey, spritz with facial mist and blend with a damp sponge for a fresh finish. Uneven eyeshadow or liner? Clean up with a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover for sharp edges. These quick fixes keep your look flawless and stress-free. Now let's talk about making this routine your own. You've mastered the basics, now make it yours. Add a pop of shimmer to your lids, or try a bolder lip if you're feeling adventurous. Makeup is about self-expression, so adapt these steps to fit your style and mood. The more you practice, the quicker and more intuitive your routine will become. Find the products and colors that make you feel your best. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to embrace your natural beauty. Be kind to yourself, have fun, and shine bright. You are beautiful, powerful, and ready to take on the world. Until next time, stay ready.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.